Peeps, Sarah here from Stereo Springs, and I made some book cover art for a werewolf novel. Okay, so I was in the middle of my Tubetober challenge when this project kind of took precedence. Now, I completed the artwork a while ago, but this was just kind of the week that we launched, so things kind of got crunched, and I apologize. So, if any of my YouTube subscribers are feeling neglected, you're not alone. My son was also feeling a little neglected. Thus, this is why he's here. So, this is just the state of things right now. He's been missing me a little bit. So, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to see when I post new videos. Now, my best friend, Tori, has officially finished her first fiction work in over 10 years. She's making a huge comeback, and she gave me first shot at the cover for this particular novel, and I couldn't say no. So if you want to know more about her, I will link her channel in the description. So first of all, I will just show you, here's the full cover. Both of the main characters, Val and Lila, are featured on the cover, though this book does follow the struggles of Val a bit more closely, so she is featured on the very front cover. These two characters are werewolves. And this is a completely fresh perspective on how werewolves are approached. And Tori actually has a video about werewolves in the media, which I will also link below. Now, I've had the privilege of being a part of this project even in its earliest stages. Because of that, I've been very invested in this project, and it has led to some other various sketches and artwork which I will share with you, but I want to cover this first. Let me just say, I do not care if you finish this video. Please support Tori in this endeavor. If you have ever tried to start a project, you know how hard it can be to get going in like the early stages. This book is by far the very best fiction work that she has ever written, and I've read a lot of her other stuff. So there's a few different ways you can show her some support, show some support for this small creator, and I will link all of this in the description. There's a lot, so just kind of pick the one that appeals to you most. Now, if you are a book lover and you also write, please check out her channel. She's got a ton of fun stuff there. However, if you like urban fantasy, dark fantasy, paranormal, any of those things, if the idea of werewolves even sounds intriguing, she is holding a live launch party tonight at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. So check out her channel and subscribe to her, turn on the notifications to make sure you know when that goes live. And today is the official launch day, so the book is officially available on Amazon as well. But let me just say, she has a lot of fun stuff planned for the live launch party, which may include spicy ramen. You can also check out her pre-order that is still open. Those are for signed physical copies. That closes tonight. And she is also hosting a giveaway until the end of this week for a free signed copy, also in the description. So I'm gonna keep this video fairly short, but I do want to show you some of the sketches and whatnot that have come out of this. Now, because of the nature of this book and just being so involved with it, I got to experiment with a lot of different styles and different kinds of artwork. So I have some colored pencil and just basic character sketches. I would say that this book cover is by far the best book cover I have ever created. And the fun part is that this actually wasn't even the first book cover. So the idea for the very first book cover was very different, much more kind of simplistic, but if any of you have watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that I struggle with keeping things simple and not putting in more detail. While this cover was okay, really was not right for this book. So we tried again, and she kind of just said, do what you think, here's the ideas, and I went for it, and this was the result. So I would say that everybody was much happier with the second result. This project was a lot of fun for me, and I do enjoy to some extent doing client work. However, when you find that one person that you just work super well with, it's so worth it to just hang on to them. So Tori is one of those people where we can just go back and forth off of each other on ideas for hours, and the creativity just doesn't stop. So she will forever be someone that I enjoy collaborating with, and we'll probably do a lot more projects together with her in the future. So that's all for now. Thanks for putting up with my child. during this. And please get in on the live event, check out pre-orders, check out the giveaway, all those things, and I will see you later, peeps. Hopefully to continue on for the rest of Tubetober, which is like 5 days, but whatever. There you go. Oops.